Well, it does look very mystical, I gotta admit. I kind of feel like the name is absolutely proper for this peak, especially with the fog and the cloud around it. But I'm dreaming of a cold beer, so let's hit the road. So pretty much I'm just gonna follow the very same route down to the hut. We have a reservation. The original plan was to sleep at the hut and to climb the peak early in the morning. As I said already, a very huge rain and storm front is coming, like this coming night. So it's gonna start raining, and on these rocks it's not a good place to be when the thunders start to hit and the rain starts to fall. Plus tomorrow afternoon it's gonna feel really cold and it's gonna be snowing. Peak Mytikas is not a place where you wanna be when it's snowing. So we're back at the junction with the international E4 path here right behind me. Once again, Mytikas and Skala are not part of the international E4 route, so you gotta choose wisely here. Те ще ми кажат, аз като отидох тя не искаше ме настани. Okay, these are my buddies. They catch up. Yeah, somehow.
Колко е догоде?
No. Давайте.
Стига бе!
Хайде! So we split the team, but I believe it was for good. My buddies were a bit slower. They took a longer break at the hut, no matter that I took an hour and 15 minutes. But I'm glad to see them here. They're gonna go to Mytikas, and I'm glad. They are very determined, so that's good. And we're gonna catch up at the hut, and we're gonna drink some beers. Thank you. I'm glad I did it. It's my second time on Mytikas and the mountain Olympus, and it feels good. Check it out, it's beautiful. Well, I switched to the fast lane. When you have to advance, you step up on the more difficult terrain and you gotta be good. Oh, hi! It's a mountain goat. Kalimera. It's a mountain goat. Kalimera. Sagapo. Did you see the fox too? No. Down at the at the turn there is a bench, and there was a fox that was begging for food.
We have those in Romania also.
Yeah. Oh, in Romania you have a lot of bears too.
Yeah. We saw it. I think it was the same one.
And there are a few. I saw a few here.
When we were going up, it was over this edge.
There are many. So.
Yeah.
But it's good that they're not afraid of people. This means that nobody shoots at them.
So we have it also in Romania.
Yeah, of course.
But they are more afraid of people there.
In Bulgaria too, because in our countries people shoot at them.
I think
if somebody shoots at you, you're a bit afraid, right?
Yeah, I think many years ago that could be possible in Romania also, but now they are protected. So
they are protected in Bulgaria too, but up to like 3-4 years, they used to shoot at them. And now in the Bulgarian mountains, there are so many people all the time that they like these people have no chance to shoot at the mountain goats. So this is the good side of having a lot of people in the mountain.
Yeah.
Because everybody can record a video, you know. And
in Pirin or Riva?
In Pirin and in Riva, in both. Yeah, there are goats in Stara Ponina too.
Okay, I don't know this one.
This is the one in the center, the Balkan.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, it has mountain goats too. Huh?
You have a beautiful franchise.
I'm sure the same about Romania. I should visit the mountains, but maybe next summer. Oh, in front of me, far in the distance, this is the seaside. Yay! That's Mytikas in the clouds. Very mystical. I should agree. It's totally mystical. So I'm pretty much right next to the hut, a few hundred horizontal meters, and I'm there where the food is and the cold beer. Starting from the peak Mytikas, the highest point of the mountain Olympus, it has been an hour and 40 minutes. The distance is again 3 kilometers and 300 meters. Again, we have a huge down climb, 950 meters, and just 90 meters of a positive denivellation. That was fast. Now it's 4:50 p.m. I started at the parking down at Prionia at 9:20. 3, 7. So it's in total from the parking to the peak Mytikas and back to the hut. It's about 7 hours and a half, which includes hour and 15 minutes break here at the hut. Includes 15 minutes break in the last segment coming down from Skala and some other small breaks, so in total probably like 2 hours of breaks. So moving time should be around 5 hours and 30 minutes, which is pretty good. It turns that I'm in really good shape. Now I'm gonna grab dinner, I'm gonna wait for my friends, I'm gonna get a few beers and get ready for the going down early in the morning with the huge rain. So let's see, overall it was a very nice adventure.
Τώρα που τελείωσε και δεν βλέπω κρέμους. Τώρα θα βαρεθείς. Είναι πολύ ώρα τώρα. Εγώ αυτό το μου βγάζει.